Hey, Tech Advance here. Today we're gonna see the differences between a QLED TV and an OLED TV.
Hey, welcome to Tech Advance, your one-stop shop for all your tech needs. Let's get started.
A QLED TV means quantum dot LED. It is most commonly found in manufacturers such as Samsung, Hisense or TCL. It is cheaper most of the time compared to OLED TVs and also has a decent picture quality. The blacks and contrast are something to note. You do not get black or pure blacks, but in exchange you get a lot of brightness because the TV is lit from LEDs at the back, so it is able to become very bright. Also, the TV can accommodate resolution up to 8K and the models start from 32-inch and above. OLED simply means organic LED. It is mostly found in manufacturers such as LG and Sony. It is always more expensive, sometimes more expensive than it should be, and it has superior picture quality as compared to the QLED. The blacks are very black. They are the blackest black because of the technology used. And it is not very bright. So if you are going to use it in a dark room, it's okay, but it's still bright enough for good HDR. And the sizes start from 42 inches and above, but there is a drawback. You can also get burn-in. Burn-in is when an icon, for example a TV icon, when you repeat the video or when you're used to seeing a certain video, it will be stuck there. Pause the video here if you want to compare. So my recommendation is, if you're going to buy this TV for your home, you should buy an OLED TV. It is slightly more expensive, but you get better picture quality, HDR, and it is overall better. But if you're going to buy this TV for work, then you should get a QLED because it is brighter and it is also more suitable for outer areas that have more light. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Oh, don't forget to subscribe.